I don't know. Another GNCC, another muddy one. Look up here, Brax. Look at those clouds rolling in. And honestly, I have no idea where we're even headed. I hear the pro quads out here. We got some fans. We're looking for, we're staying with Kevin this weekend. Kind of cheating. We brought just the truck and the trailer, so it's easy for us.
I can't really see the trailer.
We weren't even going to bring the trailer, but ended up, because it's raining so much, we didn't want the e-bikes to get all crappy on the way down here. So how about you? You excited?
Yeah, I guess. Another one.
Another muddy one?
Yeah.
That's good though. So we're just looking for people. We're gonna go find our friends, and we'll get back with you. Right in the middle. After 10 minutes of driving, I see Kevin's tent way over there. You see it?
No.
Braxton, watch, do this. Ready? Watch the camera.
Oh, straight ahead.
I said straight ahead, bro.
I thought you meant like over in there.
All right, let's go over there. Jace is over there on the far side, getting the line scoped out. This track is actually pretty nice. My seat's way muddier than I thought it was. That means my butt is covered in mud. Actually been pretty clean so far. Wow, like a pro. Dang, look at all this sick stuff. There's been some pretty cool hill climbs so far, like little but cool, like fun terrain. Definitely not gonna be a boring race. There's like stuff everywhere. Yeah, there's blue arrows down there, look at it all. But we gotta circle back through all that. We're gonna skip it, but the track comes out. Look how cool this field section is for these kids. This track is literally a wide open fifth gear to the next hill climb. Like, we're like wide open everywhere, and then we'll get to like a hill climb that's just like, we can't even e-bike it. We've gotten stuck on like 4 of them. It's crazy. Oh, Owen's still pedaling? It's crazy. It's like 5th gear down this massive flat straightaway and do another hill climb. I'm in my muck boots. You guys find the master link?
We did.
I actually found it. So here's Braxton and Jace out here. Braxton's chain came off coming up hill climb number 9040. Oh, I was like trying to make plans how I was going to push this thing out of here. Good job, guys. The mashing
was laying in the dirt. I was like, I walked down. It's gonna be right here. I was walking back up.
Good thing it's like a nice gold chain.
Yeah, if it wasn't, it was like up in the bank.
So you think the clip just came apart on it?
I guess.
It just, from it skipping a bunch, it just popped loose.
All right, well, let's try to get out of here then. Because we're like at the furthest point, because I went ahead Onyx up and it was like...
He should be able to.
Yeah, nice.
It's locked in.
I like it.
With that wrapped up now, ladies and gentlemen, we ask for your continued undivided 85 Goodwill, 11 to 13.
Looking good.
10 seconds on a cross racing chain. Gage Everhart.
Here comes Brax. Keep it up. flag is out. Braxxton should be coming over that hill in a second, coming through, so you have one more lap. He's trying good today, I'm proud of him. His speed looks good. A couple of the kids in front of him, I think he's in 7th, the 5th and 6th don't look that much faster. They're just better on the higher speed stuff, I think. So, proud of him. Such a good ride today. I never thought of it, but Travis Lentz might be coming around before Braxxton. He might not get the white flag. I hope Braxxton can beat him over here, it'd be cool. Thank goodness there's Braxxton. So he's in front of Travis, which is good. I think he's still gonna get the white flag, is still waving, so he should get one more. Heck yeah. Try to cheer Braxxton on here. One more, kid, one more. Dude, he just moved up to 6th, and he's only 40 seconds behind 5th, but his lap was 35 seconds faster than 5th. So, if he could put in another 35 seconds faster lap, plus if the other little guy keeps getting more tired, Braxxton could be 5th this weekend. Let's just hope he can push through. Oh, there's a checkered right there. They're just waving it for Travis. So Braxxton just made about like 3 minutes, which is sick. So, man, let's hope we can catch this kid. It'll be sick. Let's go! Come on! You're catching 5th! I forgot. Like, I don't know how much gas he has, because this is an hour and a half. And like, I started with it down a little bit too. So this is a really cool track. So I can see him there. I'm going to see him here in a second. I'm on the finish line. So I was looking for 67 still. Haven't seen him. Okay, there's 5th. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's right there! You're catching 5th! Okay, so the uphill, Braxton's only like 10 seconds behind. As they wrapped around the backside of that steep cliff there, he was like 18, and that's just too much, I think, because I'm pedaling straight to the finish right now. But man, I think those lappers got Braxton a little bit. That's okay, it's part of the game. But dude, top 6 in a GNCC class is awesome. Let's see if you can push to the finish here and get 5th. It'd be incredible. So there's not a lot of time between where we just filmed him and here. So 18 seconds is going to be a lot. That might be, hard to tell, that might be 5th right there. Fuck, it is. That's 5th right there. Braxton's right there. I'm so proud of Brax. What a good ride. So there's 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, Brax! 6th place. Dude, you followed 5th across the finish line.
Yeah. I don't know who. I have no idea who was who. I don't.
Well, he was. Well, I guess he was like 7 seconds in front of you. But your laps, you were catching him though toward the end.
Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't like. I mean, I was in race mode, but like.
I could tell.
I just didn't feel right.
Seemed like you were letting people by you.
Yeah.
Which isn't racing. But if you wouldn't have done that like 3 or 4 times, letting people by you, you would have been with that kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. 6th though? Good job, Brax. Seemed like your cardio is pretty good though. I mean, you raced an hour and a half and your laps were,
yeah.
I didn't see the last lap time yet.
I don't know, but.
Proud of you though.
I mean.
You didn't get lapped. That's huge.
Kids were in front of me and I was just like riding behind them on, I think the last would be like 5. So it would have been
5, yeah.
And they just like, no one crashed in front of me, and no one crashed.
Yeah.
Like, you could like see them just like
Starting to go.
wobbling, and then yeah, I was following this girl in a Kawasaki. She like smashed into a tree.
Huh.
She was sitting there next lap, but.
Jeez. You're so close to that next level, kid. Proud of you. Yeah, you will. I'm proud of you. So Jace is over there on the starting line. He's like row 20 maybe, but like there's some other rows going. But when he comes through here, I wish I could have done this for Braxton. I think I can like e-bike this road because they like stay right there. I think I can get some like cool side-by-side shot footage of Jace. I think I'm gonna get the sickest shot in the world. We're gonna try it here in a minute. there. Okay, we're still gonna see him more. Hold on. I gotta get over here. There he is right there. Yeah, Jace! Whole shot on the 450. Oh, it's gonna crash. Woo! I just got mud in my eyeball. Almost just crashed right there. Oh, there's like tons of mud. And how did it get past my glasses? I almost died because I crossed that little creek right there. Crazy. That was so sick though. Look at that lead! Holy smokes! Woohoo! Yeah, buddy! Okay, that's gonna wrap up our day here at the GNCC. The adult AM race is about halfway over. Jace is doing awesome. He's crushing it out there. I just missed him on footage. Got to watch him though, which is cool. So, good job, Jace. You're doing great. And then Owen races here in a little bit on his Yamaha. But we're gonna head out. How you feeling, Brax?
I feel okay. Stomach just hurts a lot, but yeah.
Well, it's hard to wake up and push that hard that early in the morning, so no time to wake up. But we're gonna get on the road. See you guys at the next one.